What's up everyone, 3D Print 747 here, back again with another video. This is going pretty awesome. I will show you what it's all about tomorrow when it finishes. It was a 24-hour plus print, but it's going to turn out amazing. Alright, we'll be back. Alright, it's been overnight and here's where we ended up. It's pretty awesome, right? Fell over. Tool head got knocked off. So I'm going to see what's going on here. The tool head obviously hit the print. I'm going to see if it's printing in gyroid. And if it is, I'm going to change it and print it again, because I've heard rumors that gyroid doesn't print well for tall models. So I'm going to go ahead and clean this up and try it again, and I'll let you know if it had gyroid or not in the next go around. Well, maybe in the next go around I'll let you know about the gyroid, but this also happened.
What?
That's nasty, and that's probably why that fell off. And then when that fell off, it probably hit the model or something. I'm going to see if I have time lapse enabled. I don't think I do, but if I do, I'll see if I can see what happened. Let's get this thing cleaned up, get this big ball of mess out of the way, and try again. All right, everyone. So here's where we landed. We actually have the finished print, finished successfully. What I ended up doing was moving the poop box away from the chute so that the poop would just come out on the table instead of into that box in the back. So I'm going to have to figure something out because that was causing an issue, the clog. Let's get this the supports taken off and see what it looks like. All right, so got this off the build plate here. See how easy the supports come off. Yep. Pop them right off. No marks, no issues. It is a really cool print. I think I used 15% infill. I just used the default settings from the 3MF. I got this off of Maker World. I'll put a link in the description. One thing I did change, as I mentioned earlier, is I changed the infill pattern from gyroid to be adaptive cubic, because I've read and actually experienced myself that gyroid doesn't like to print well with tall objects or tall models. And you saw that was the case for this, but yeah, that's pretty awesome. Darth Vader in a sweatshirt with Nikes on. Clean up a little bit more. Pretty awesome, right? All right, guys, thanks for checking this one out. I will catch you on the next one. And hit that like button if you haven't already, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.